Let's do some EFT tapping together to help release obsessive thoughts. I'm going to take what you might not expect in the approach for this, because what I found is if you tap to try to get rid of things, they just fight back harder a lot of the time. So work with me on this, try it, I hope it helps you. Tapping on the side of the hand and giving yourself a moment to actually tune in to whatever obsessive thought or thoughts made you click on this video. And then repeating after me, even though this thought keeps appearing, I choose to accept myself as best I can. Even though this thought is cycling, it seems obsessive, and I want it to stop. But it does not seem to care what I want. I choose to honor myself and everything I'm going through here. Even though there are these obsessive thoughts, they keep repeating, maybe with increased intensity, and I want them to stop, but they seem to keep going. And even with all of this, I choose to honor and accept myself, maybe even these thoughts, to whatever degree I'm able to in this moment. Okay, now through the points. These thoughts, these repeating, these recurring, these obsessive thoughts, they just keep showing up. And part of me is saying, I want them to stop. I want to get rid of them. They're bothering me. They're not productive. It's causing me suffering. I really just want to release it. I just want to let these thoughts go. But they seem to have a life or energy of their own. I may have even tried to accept them. But really, I'm only trying to accept them so that they will stop. And that's okay. I'm not doing it wrong. It's just not seeming to work, whatever approach I take here. So I'm going to allow myself to open up a little bit, as best I can, and look at these thoughts directly. Allow myself to take in the whole experience. There's the thoughts themselves. There's my reaction to the thought. There's my efforts to make it stop. I'm allowing myself to take in that whole picture. I'm allowing myself to stop fighting the whole experience as best I can. The thought is not inherently wrong. My reaction is not inherently wrong. They're just interacting the way they are. And I'm giving some space for them, for that entire ball of energy to just move through me a bit. To just keep tapping as I experience all of this. Supporting myself through this. And now I want to allow myself to look at the thought or the cycle of thoughts and see if I can tune in a little more to it. Just like when talking to another person, there's the actual words, there's the appearance of the person, the thoughts may have words, the thoughts may have an appearance. But let's see if we can look a little deeper. Let's see if we can try to feel in to where they're really coming from. What are they trying to communicate? And what's going on in my own mind or my own nervous system? Not looking at it with judgment, but with true curiosity, asking, what is it about this communication? What about these thoughts is so important? Is there a message I'm not receiving yet? Is there something we're afraid of? Is there something I need to be protected from? Allowing myself to do my best to truly understand, and more importantly, to feel what's the dynamic here? What's actually needed for this to really resolve? The thoughts may not stop until something is recognized. Or simply by listening, the thoughts may finally feel heard and begin to relax. Whatever's happening for me, I choose to be more and more open to exploring and feeling what's truly needed for my unique mind and body for this to resolve. Okay, take a breath. Now, that may have relaxed some of the thoughts. That may have brought up what's really going on that might need deeper attention. Because it's just a video here, allow yourself to feel what's needed next for you, where this goes next. If a particular subject comes up, you might look at a video of mine or Brad Yates or one of the many other people, tap through some related subjects. You can reach out to me down below if you have questions or leave a comment of maybe something specific, what you can do next with that. I hope it helps. I hope at least opens some doors for you. And I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much.